Hey everyone, Christopher Ludwig here. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about an upcoming event we have at AMS, the Automotive Evolution Summit, a 3-day extravaganza, May 17th, 18th, and 19th, all happening online, all looking at the revolution happening across automotive manufacturing in electrification, digitalization, and sustainability. Join me then. We'll be sitting in fireside chats with a number of the industry's key leaders, including Peter Weber, who's the head of the plant Munich for BMW, who takes us on an exclusive tour as well of some of the transformation happening there, along with leaders like Arno Gullering, who's head of the electrification powertrain division at ZF, talking about what this transformation means for people. We've got panels looking at sustainability featuring Volvo and Polestar, and a COO of Polestar, Dennis Nobilis, will join us on a panel discussion on the partnerships that are driving change. And another highlight for me will be Josh Tech from Automotive, recently joining from Tesla, talking about how this startup supplier is revolutionizing electrified platforms and what it will mean for manufacturing. So I just wanted to put some highlights. We have more than 30 speakers, hundreds of delegates joining us. It's going to be a great couple of days, a real opportunity to understand more about what's driving change in automotive production. So you still have plenty of time to register and join the conversation. Look forward to seeing you there. That's May 17th, 18th, and 19th of AMS Automotive Evolution Summit. Looking forward to it.